Today, we're diving into something seriously exciting. Windows 11, Enterprise LTSC, a version of Windows that's lightweight, bloatware-free, and officially from Microsoft. If you're tired of unnecessary features slowing you down, this might be exactly what you need. So, what exactly is LTSC? It stands for Long-Term Servicing Channel, a special edition of Windows 11 designed for stability and long-term use. No feature updates, no fluff, and no distractions. Just security updates and pure performance. Unlike the regular Home or Pro editions, LTSC strips away all the extras you probably never use, like Cortana, Xbox apps, widgets, and yes, even Copilot. The result? A clean, fast desktop that stays consistent for years. And here's the kicker. You don't need a fancy new laptop to run it. LTSC works on systems with just a dual-core CPU, 2 GB of RAM, and 16 gigs of storage. No TPM, no secure boot, no headaches. To install it, just grab the ISO file from Microsoft's official site. Then use Rufus, a free tool, to create a bootable USB drive. It's quick, easy, and doesn't need any installation. Just download, plug in your USB, and follow the steps. Open Rufus, select your USB drive, and choose the ISO file you downloaded. If your PC has a modern UEFI system, pick GPT. If it's older with BIOS, choose MBR. Click Start, and Rufus will take care of the rest. Once your USB is ready, restart your computer and boot from the USB. The setup process is simple, just like any other Windows install. Pick your language, accept the license agreement, and choose where to install. Delete old partitions if needed for a clean install. Don't want to sign in with a Microsoft account? No problem. At the Let's Connect You to a Network screen, click I don't have internet. This unlocks the option to create a local account instead. Once it boots up, you'll notice how clean everything is. No ads, no pre-installed apps. Just a fresh desktop, ready for you to build your system the way you want. We tested 2 identical systems, one with Windows 11 Home and one with LTSC. The results? LTSC used almost half the RAM, far fewer background processes, and stayed consistently cooler and snappier. Perfect for low-end machines or distraction-free work setups. Need the Microsoft Store back? Easy. Open PowerShell as administrator and run a quick command. You'll have access to the store again without adding any bloat. Unlike other editions, LTSC skips feature updates entirely. That means no surprise changes, no UI overhauls, and no unexpected bugs. Just essential security patches to keep your system safe and reliable. Now, a quick word about licensing. The version we just installed is an evaluation copy. You can use it free for 90 days. After that, you'll need a proper LTSC license, which is typically available through business or enterprise channels. If you're someone who values performance, simplicity, and stability, Windows 11 LTSC is a game changer. It's fast, efficient, and leaves you in full control of your system. No clutter, no surprises, just Windows done right. Found this helpful? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's tired of bloated Windows installs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.